Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. Y'all know what's going on by the thumbnail, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Of course, just like Imani fashion, I forgot to press record when I was putting on the base for my eyeshadow, but that's neither here nor there because I saw this look by Beats by Deb and I really wanted to recreate it because it just looks so easy, so fun, so vibrant, and I haven't really played with rainbow colors like that in so long, so I felt like this was going to be fun. So what I'm doing now is I'm setting the base for my eyeshadow. I'm using the Il Makiage concealer. I have no idea what color it is. I just know it's too bright for my skin. I normally use it if I want to brighten up the inner corners of my eye, but this time I'm going to use it to prime my lid for these neon pigments. So now I'm going to go in with my Recharge palette. Yes, I said my because it's a palette that I created. And if you guys want to know more about this palette, just let me know that in the comments down below. But just like she did, I'm going to add some depth and some contrast to the colored pigments that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go in with a brown shade, and then I'm also going to go in with a black shade just to add that contrast right above my crease and right in my crease. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you, I don't even know what month this is of me being consistent. I've been being consistent with posting videos since like February, so now we are in August and I am like full throttle. I actually have like this whole series that I want to do for you guys, so I cannot wait to show you because I really feel like you guys are gonna eat this up. But for sure, I am making sure I'm delivering this content for you guys. So now that we have our crease shade in, now I'm going to go back in with the Il Makiage concealer and I'm going to actually overcut crease my eyelid because I was realizing while I was doing it, it just wasn't at the height and the roundness that I wanted it to be. And then I know people say, well, one of your eyes is bigger than the other too. And I was like, okay, so trying to say one of my eyes is rounder than the other, because when I cut the cut crease on one of my eyes, I was like, oh, I like this. This is giving Betty Boop. And then the other one was giving like, I drank NyQuil, so then now I look like Dayquil versus NyQuil in the eyes, and I was like, I don't like that for me. So I just went ahead and I overcut crease both of them just so you can really see that color too, and I actually like the way it came out. Now to make sure that my pigments are smoothly applied to my lid, I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to smooth out that concealer to make sure it's even across the board, so that way everything looks nice, neat, and right. And then I'm going to go in with, I believe it was like 5 different ones. Let me think: pink, orange, yellow, green, blue. Yeah, right on the head. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and it's kind of self-explanatory from this part. Wow, I always trip over my words. It's self-explanatory from this part, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kiss Black Liner. It is a really smooth black liner. It's liquid and that precision tip, oh my gosh, it just makes doing your liner so much easier. But I'm one of those people that I used to do wing liners so much in high school as a cheerleader, and I used to do them with every look. And I got on YouTube, and it's just like, I could not perfect my liner. That was the one thing that annoyed the crap out of me. But just like Beats by Deb did, she did a black liner, and I went ahead and I took some lash glue and I put that on the liner, and then I applied some black glitter. And then just to clean up that wing, because we need it sharp, I need it cutting me, I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And actually no, I went in with my e.l.f. Camo 16-hour Camo matte concealer, and I cleaned that up, and then I just blended it in like normal, so it didn't look like it was just concealer sitting on my face. Now I'm gonna go in with Chanel Cosmetics ink pot. Basically, it was this baby pink shade, but it also kind of comes off a little white right before it dries. So I'm gonna spray some of my setting spray into that, and then I'm gonna use that on my waterline, and the same pigments that I used on the base I'm gonna be using on my waterline. And then I'm gonna actually take one of my eyeshadow brushes, because it came out kind of thick, meaning like the colors on my lash line, and I'm just gonna dust some of that away so it looks a little bit more thinner. And it actually worked for me, so I was actually happy with that. Now, y'all know nude lips have me in a chokehold, so of course we're going to go in with the nude lip. I am going to go in with a lip liner by NYX. I think this was actually in the shade Latte, and you know my regular lip combos that I do, I go in with my MAC Creme de la Nude, and then I go in with my Journey Beauty lip gloss as well. And I went ahead and did my lips first before I put on my lashes, which is normally backwards, so don't ask me why I did that, because I really don't know, but you know, it was giving what it was giving either way. So I really could have went for some thinner lashes, but I didn't want to do thin. I wanted this whole look to just be glam, dramatic, just giving all of the work. So I went ahead and I put on one of my fluffy wispy lashes. Don't ask me which one this is because I have over 200 lashes and that's just from me alone, like my own brand. And then I have over 100 something lashes from my like brand partnerships and brand ambassadorships, all of that stuff. So I'm putting on some lashes that I thought would be cute for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments down below. Be sure to stay to the end of the video so you can get this low light look. But thank you guys for tuning in. Do not forget to subscribe. I really love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next makeup tutorial vlog or whatever video. See ya.